Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I'm in Mumbai for tomorrow's workshop, so that's why there is only an audio podcast today. Today, because of global cues, GIFT Nifty was indicating about 150 to 200 point gap up. And in fact, Nifty gap up around 150 points, but then selling came. Selling was so severe that Nifty has fallen more than 500 points from day's high to day's low. In fact, today morning, I mentioned usually the first trading day market can be trending, but nobody expected this kind of a trend on the downside. When markets shot up like 150 point, it was trying to take out the swing high. Everything came to mind, like people are talking about India-Pakistan war, or at least some kind of retaliation by India. Like last time, you may remember surgical strike. So when something like this happened in Pulwama, there was a surgical strike. So that day, suddenly Nifty fell, uh, you know. So I really don't know why people became so bullish in the morning. Market went up. I think like one factor could be global cues. Second one should be FA huge buying of 8,000 crore plus yesterday. But today, so it was a severe profit booking, and the Bank Nifty has fallen almost nearly 2,000 point from the recent high. I think in just 2 days before high. So it looks like markets not happy with the Axis Bank results. So Axis Bank was the main at some point of time, though ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank was holding just because of Axis Bank, markets fell. And not only that, there are many companies like yesterday, Hindustan Unilever results came. I think stocks fell. Nestle came out with results, stocks fell. Axis Bank results came, stock fell. And today, I think Maruti result has come. I think not happy with the results. I think once again the Maruti has fallen about 2% today. So now the corporate results. Now people are waiting for Reliance Industries corporate results. So we need to see how Reliance will be declaring the results and how the markets will be reacting on Monday. This, India is expected to retaliate anytime, and especially, the markets are at a high point, and then Saturday, Sunday holiday. So anything can happen on Saturday, Sunday. So that was the main reason why a section of the people started booking the profit. So that profit booking, triggered a major sell-off. But the recovery from intraday low to higher level was also equally impressive. But again, in the last 1 hour, it has fallen about 80 points. It is disappointing to see the Nifty has actually closed below 24,000. Anyway, so markets, it was a vertical rally of nearly 2,300 points. So this kind of, some sudden sell-off is expected. So that has happened. Only thing is, some smart people use the opportunity very big gap up today morning. So we need to see the results from Reliance Industries, and then because of a sudden fall of more than 500 point intraday, the volatility index has shot up. Option premiums are skyrocketing. Look at the 23,000 put option. It is trading out more than 22 rupees. Moreover, next week, Thursday is a holiday. So we have only 3 trading sessions for expiry. So 3 trading session, 1,000 point away, still it is trading around 22 rupees. So option premiums are, very, very lucrative. Even the 22,500 put option. So I think it is trading more than 10 rupees. So that is 1,500 point. So even on such a bad news, Nifty did not fall more than 300 point. Then, Next 3 days average 500 point fall is almost next to impossible. Even if there is any attack by India into Pakistan, I don't think that Nifty will be falling below 22,500. But the fear is always there. So that is where, the option premiums shoot up like anything. So we will see what is going to happen. So on Monday. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.